Halo, nama aku Chloe Abigail Chua, Chloe for short. Aku dari Stel Maris Gading Serpong, and I'm majoring in business. Now, izinkan aku untuk ceritakan sedikit tentang aku. Starting with my parents, mama aku berasal dari Semarang, and she moved to Jakarta when she was 7 years old. Papaku dari Jakarta, and now he's a businessman. He owns an interior company called Agatha Interior. Now, talking about me, sejak aku kecil sampai sekarang banyak banget kegiatan-kegiatan yang aku ikutin yang di luar sekolah. Salah satunya adalah MUN atau Model United Nations. The most recent one I joined being AIMUN atau Asian Youth International MUN yang diadakan di Bangkok, di mana aku menjadi the delegate of the United Kingdom for the IMF Council or the International Monetary Fund Council. Ada juga yang aku ikutin seperti HIMUN yang diadakan di UI, di mana aku menjadi the delegate of the United Kingdom as well in the UNIDO Council. Dan sejak aku kecil, aku sudah mulai terjun dalam dunia pekerjaan. Sejak aku 11 tahun, aku mulai perjalanan aku di dunia entertainment. From there, I've done over 20 TV commercials dan aku main di film layar lebar juga. Dan di film perdana aku menjadi nominee di IMA 2024 or Indonesian Movie Actors Award, which is the most prestigious or respected film festivals in Indonesia. Nggak cuma itu, I also take part in musicals where I play in the Timun Mas musical as Timun Mas, the main character. Nggak cuma di dunia entertainment, tapi aku juga menjadi atlet gimnastik yang sudah berkompetisi di luar negara dan juga di dalam negara. Aku sudah berkompetisi di berbagai macam negara seperti Hong Kong, Philippines, dan juga Thailand, dan juga sudah berkompetisi di dalam negara seperti Indonesian Open dan kejuaraan-kejuaraan daerah. Dan selama aku menjadi atlet, aku meraih kurang lebih 50 medali dan piala dari kejuaraan-kejuaraan yang aku ikutin. Berikutnya, aku aktif di organisasi, kepanitiaan, dan juga acara-acara sekolah. One example is that I was head of events committee for the Business School Serpong Prom. I was also a part of two different student council bodies, one being the Social Relations Division of the Shikal Serpong Student Council, and being the Finance Division of the Stella Maris Gading Serpong Student Council. And I was also on the committees for different school events such as Shikal Cup and other school events as well. Dari semua pengalaman aku sudah sibuk sejak kecil, aku sudah bekerja sejak kecil, aku sekarang memiliki skill-skill yang sangat berharga. From a strong sense of discipline, time management, prioritizing, having to sacrifice your enjoyment and comfort for responsibilities. Dan salah satu lagi yang sangat penting adalah aku mempunyai kemampuan sosial yang kuat. Karena aku sudah terbiasa bersosialisasi dengan orang baru dari latar belakang yang sangat bervariasi. Aku tidak malu untuk menyapa orang baru. Dan salah satu yang paling penting juga, aku bisa bersikap profesional dalam keadaan tertentu dari aku umur yang muda. Dan aku sangat ingin meningkatkan lagi skill ini dan mempertahankan karena sangat berguna bagiku di semua aspek kehidupan, di semua industri terutama bisnis, karena penting untuk menjaga dan membangun relasi, bekerja sama dalam kelompok, networking, dan lain-lain. Sekarang bentar lagi aku akan mulai perjalanan baru aku di Prasmul S1 Business. But a lot of people ask me why business and why in Prasmul? To answer that question on why I chose business, I would like to say that I consider myself very free-willed. I do not like to be a mindless follower, and I rebel to authority if it's not logical or if it's not just. And in business, we have the freedom to choose, right? We have the right to make our own decisions and to make our own rules and to make something that we are actually passionate about. And I do believe that Prasmul is the right place to do that, because this might sound cheesy, but I do believe that Prasmul is the right place to make your imagination come to life. Because what I love so much about this university, it's that because it's not just about theory, but it's also about execution. And to support my education here, I'm applying for the scholarship, and I believe that I'm worthy of me receiving a higher education in Prasmul supported by this scholarship because of my potential to thrive in Prasmul's environment. So number one, it's my potential. With my experiences that I have mentioned before, they have taught me discipline, survival, negotiation, hard work, and determination, and to thrive in competitive environments. And this means that I have the skills necessary of business, meaning that I have the skills necessary to thrive in Prasmul. And number two is my impact. I have a vision of creating innovations to make a positive impact on the world. When I was 5 or 6, I have this very vivid memory of me really wanting to give every child in Indonesia a pen and paper, and for me to pay for all their tuitions when I was already big and successful. And that memory and that vision I had when I was little reminds me of my natural drive to want to do good for the world as I remember it up until now. And I will use my education supported by the scholarship not only to benefit myself but society as a whole. So one innovation I have in mind that can benefit society in this country is, I've mentioned it before in my proposal, but it's called Circula. So Circula is an idea I have of mine, and it's a sustainable business innovation that aims to address Indonesia's plastic pollution issue and our sky-high unemployment rates, especially with people that are in poverty of the lower class as they lack adequate skills or education. So these people from communities can collect used plastics in exchange for cash, which gives them a source of income. And these collected plastics are then sorted, processed, and transformed into recycled packaging products designed for startups and SMEs. So Circula also provides startups as an incubator by supplying eco-friendly packaging. Circula not only helps reduce plastic pollution, but also enables young businesses and young business owners to adopt sustainable practices. And there will also be collaborations with product design students of Prossmol possibly, and other business majors of Prossmol, which will strengthen this innovation even further and also build connections within the Prossmol community. And Prossmol students wishing to launch their own startups may adopt sustainable practices by using Circula's packaging. So Circula will start to obtain real long-term collaborations from the very start for future companies showcasing sustainability. This is because I believe that Prossmol holds the future entrepreneurs and the future leaders of the world. Thank you.